Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can open my Toyota Corolla's this car door when my remote key battery is empty and this is not working. How I can open this door? Okay, and what we really need to do. There is this my remote key, and when I rotate that little bit, there is small trigger in here, this small switch, and when I press that switch and same time I pull out this area, there is this key, and this key fits in this position in that way, and now I can open and close this door in this way. Okay, not yet. Okay, and I have to take this key away. Okay, now door is open. This was so simple. And then final step is that I have to install this my key back in here and press that we can hear this click. Good. And this is so easy. And it is so easy to use these Toyota cars.